Everyone, listen, gather around. Okay, I saw a monster. It came at me from out of the sky. It made a sound like... No, get away! And then bam! And that's when it scooped me up, and I was like... Then I saw it. A mythical creature I had only heard existed in legend. Look at your small foot! Oh my gosh! It's a small foot! Come back!
No, you didn't.
Yeah, I did.
No.
I did.
No.
I saw it.
It doesn't exist. Can't this ridiculous story and tell the truth.
I am telling the truth.
We believe you.
Michi?
Welcome to the SES.
Stands for Smallfoot Exists, suckers!
We have been collecting proof of the Smallfoot's existence. Behold, the scroll of invisible wisdom. Imagine the amazing stuff they put on here.
This proves nothing! Look, I know what I saw, and I'm gonna prove it!
Wait! Ah, he's gone. Don't stop believing.
Oh, boy. Oh, holy wowness! I should introduce myself. Hi, I'm... Oh, look at you. You're adorable. Smallfoot? Oh, that's supposed to fall out like that?